Hello everyone, my name is Ehsan Shokrgozar. I'm a senior solutions architect at AWS specializing in media and entertainment content production. I'm going to give you an overview of the automated ingest workflow. The use case we will be looking at is a fast turnaround editorial workflow for sporting events. This type of footage can come from a variety of different recording devices with different resolutions, frame rates, and color profiles. There are two things we need to accomplish with this workflow. First, we need to convert all the incoming media into a standard show format that the editors can use in their work and that is compatible with their editing software. Second, we need to create proxies that are small enough to distribute and are also playable without special software, so all stakeholders can view the footage. This demo covers how we built an automated and scalable workflow on AWS to accomplish these tasks. Now let's look at the generic version of the workflow before diving into specifics. In order to process the footage in the cloud, we first need to select a tool for uploading the media into an Amazon S3 bucket. Once the upload is complete, it will trigger an AWS Lambda function, which will kick off the automation process. The Lambda function will trigger the two different workflows for creating the editorial media and creating the proxies. We then need to choose how we will be delivering the media to the editors and to any other stakeholders. Next, let's take a look at the specific tools we chose for this demo. For the upload tool, we're using Offshoot, which gives us an easy-to-use interface along with features like checksums, metadata management, duplication detection, and much more. To manage the transcoding jobs in a scalable way, we use Deadline Cloud as our render management tool. This allows us to scale out to process dozens or even hundreds of clips in parallel in order to meet our turnaround requirements. It also lets us completely scale in and incur no costs when we have no media to process. These worker nodes will be using Mystica workflows to perform the transcoding. Mystica workflows gives us access to a wide range of camera formats as well as industry standard editorial formats that we will need for this use case. Our editors will be using Avid Media Composer. So in order to deliver the editorial files, we will use the Avid Nexus client on the worker nodes to write DNX HD files to the shared Avid Nexus storage. And the editors can access these files directly from the shared storage without needing any additional conversion. To deliver the proxies to other collaborators, we store these proxies on an Amazon S3 bucket and use LucidLink's native layout support to allow direct access to the media from workstations anywhere in the world running the LucidLink client. This workflow is highly scalable and automated and enables fast turnaround of editorial content. Thank you for watching this demo, and please reach out with any questions and to find out how you can implement this workflow for yourself.